Alright, HVAC people, so today I am installing 4 air purification systems, which I am using the air scrubbers. I need to install 2 air scrubbers on 2 rooftop units. I need to install 2 air scrubbers at a residential property.
Alright, HVAC people, so I want you to go sign up for Jobbers Summit. It's a free online event. It's going to have over 25 plus expert speakers, and guess what? One of them is going to be A-Rod, Alex Rodriguez. So y'all click on the link in the description below and sign up for the free online event called Jobber Summit. Hey, you don't want to miss this. You are invited. If you're a home service business, sign up today. If you're in management, sign up today. Free online event for entrepreneurs. It's going to be 2 sessions to make it convenient for you. It'll be a morning session from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and there's going to be an evening session from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that would be March 1st. So save that date on your calendar. Go ahead and sign up for this free online event. You don't want to miss it. Jobber Summit.
We're gonna show. If you'll tap on the iPad and sign for the. You need a foot or wire lead connection.
I prefer wire.
Okay, so these are primary voltage 120, 208, 240,
yeah,
down to 24.
Yeah, I take 4. So this is the ozone free. This one does not smell.
All right, you want to use the net account?
Yes.
All right. Then, let's see. All right, if you'll tap and sign one more time for that one.
All right, HVAC people, so we got the air scrubbers. I'm gonna get ready to go on the roof here. This is a brochure that I have, but it is digital. It has an up and down volume and 3 play buttons. So if I push play.
All of us today are concerned about increasing
testimonials. All right, folks, so I have the 2 air scrubbers here. I got to install one on this unit and one on another unit over here. See, the airflow direction are pointed either for the return or the supply. I prefer to install them in the supply. All right, so this is my blower department right here. This is my blower motor. I think this would be a good spot right here to install this air scrubber. To install it right there. This will be your air scrubber. We just installed it right there. Some self-tappers, some clamps, step-down transformer, and it'll plug right into the air scrubber. It'll be my self-tapper just to start it. Now we'll just cut around. So now we have our purification installed. We'll just install our transformer. So another thing, I just want to verify what kind of voltage your system is. As you can see, I have 208, 230. It's a 208, 230 system. So I'm gonna get my transformer. You see my transformer, I got 208. So we'll verify that. All right. As you can see, this transformer here is installed for 208. So it's my incoming power right here. So if possible, I want to mount my transformer right here, and I think I got the wired transformer. I'm just going to connect it in this 11 and 13. So we are going to verify we don't have any voltage. I'm gonna go to leg, and that's 1 and 3, and I'm gonna go to ground to each leg, and we got 0. Like I say, so I do want to make sure my wire is long enough. We'll plug it in. right, now I'm gonna unplug it. I just wanted to make sure we got enough wire, which we do have plenty. I'm gonna try to go through some of these rubber grommets to protect my wire. So it's my transformer. On the transformer, my secondary is this green and red. This is what I'm gonna hook up to my air scrubber, the green and red wire. My common wire is white, so I know I have to use this one. And my red is 208, so the only two wires I'm gonna use is white and red, which is these top two. These top two go directly to my air scrubber. And the white and red, the white is the common for your primary, and the red is the 208. So I'll just be using those two. I'm probably just going to cut the black and the orange, or cap it off. I'm going to cap these two off to get them out all the way. All right. There we go. All right. Well, my common and my red, I'm gonna stick it right in 11 and 13. The first thing I want to do, this yellow right here on this transformer is common. We want to keep everything synced. So you see this yellow on that transformer goes down here, and it goes to the yellow with all the other yellows. So I'm gonna keep that trend right there and stick this common on 13. So I got the white one on 13. And I'm gonna stick the red one on 11. There you go. So we want to double check this also. I can turn the unit on and we'll see if we get 24 volts. All right, so right now I'm just gonna turn the unit on and we should have 24 volts right there. As you can see, we got 28 volts. This goes to my air scrubber. I'm just gonna hook these right up. All right. So we'll just get some zip ties and tuck all these wires in here. All right, so I'll be taking the temperature reading right by this air scrubber and just in the supply. We're just gonna make sure it don't go above 200 degrees with the heater on. And the instructions say run it through 5 cycles just to make sure, you know, it don't go above 200 degrees. So we're running through a few cycles and just make sure it don't go above 200 degrees to damage the cell on the air scrubber. But I'm gonna run it for a while. All right, so we got the heater jumped out. So this is right by the heater. This is at the supply. Maybe about 10 minutes or so here. My temperature is only getting up to about 116, 117 degrees. I don't want to burn them out, but I think it's safe to say, unless they add another heat kit or something like that to this unit, it's not gonna be nowhere near 200 degrees. So I think we're safe to install this air scrubber right here. As far as if it's meant for a horizontal unit and the ductwork designed for like a downflow, the blower motor is kind of above it to the left, so it is kind of flowing horizontal, then go to the downflow position. But I think we should be good to go. Hey, y'all remember to sign up for the Jobber Summit. It's a free online event with over 25 expert speakers. March 1st, we'll have 2 sessions, one in the morning and one in the evening to make it convenient for you. So do not want to miss this free online event. Remember, March 1st, put it on your calendar right now. Click on the link in the description below. Go ahead and sign up today. Totally free, zero cost to you, but it's a Jobber Summit. They're gonna have over 25 expert speakers. And guess what? They're gonna have, guess who's gonna be there? Don't take a guess. You got it. A-Rod, Alex Rodriguez, the future Hall of Famer. Or he might be in the Hall of Fame now, I'm not sure. But you know, he's a business owner also, the A-Rod Corporation. So he's going to be giving his expertise. So anybody that has a home service business or even thinking about starting a home service business, you do not want to miss this free online event. So go ahead and click on the link in the description and put it on your calendar. But you do not want to miss this event, so go ahead and sign up today. Get this free knowledge. All right, HVAC people. Hey, thanks for watching. We out.